Good morning to all of you. In our last class, I have been given a note about matrix to calculate the eigenvalues and eigenvector. Regarding eigenvalues and eigenvector, so here this is the note that let consider a matrix of A. This is the matrix, okay, and a column matrix X. This is the X matrix. This is the A matrix is this one. X matrix is this one. Will be if we are going to multiply this, then we are going to find this type of matrix, and the above this matrix can be written in the equation form in like this. Here the column vector X transformed into column vector Y by means of a square matrix A. That means this is a column matrix. When it is multiplied with this one, it will transform this matrix to another column matrix. This is the written the two lines. Let consider X be such vector which transforms into lambda X by means of transformation equation number 1. So equation number 1 also can be written in the form of, that is this is the Ax equal to Y or Ax equal to Y or equal to lambda into X. That implies Ax minus lambda I X equal to 0, A minus lambda I X equal to 0. Here I is the unit matrix. This is the unit matrix. I have been also given the note in the second time, that will be in a 2 matrix, 2 cross 2 matrix. It will be unit matrix is this one. 3 cross 3 matrix, it will be 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is the unit matrix. So here the known scalar lambda is called the eigenvalue of the matrix A, and the corresponding non-zero vector X is called the eigenvector. So this lambda can be solved from the equation. We can find the so-called eigenvalue of the matrix A, and this is called the eigenvector. Come to the next page. Eigenvalues are also called as the characteristic values or proper values or latent values. So characteristic matrix, if we are going to consider a matrix example, let this is a matrix, and we are trying to find out the eigenvalue of this matrix. So A minus lambda I should have to be equal to 0. So first we have to consider what will be the characteristics matrix. If A is the matrix is this one, the corresponding characteristics matrix is nothing but A minus lambda I. So lambda is the unknown scalar quantity, and I is 1 0 0 0 1 0. It is a 3 cross 3 matrix, means 3 cross 3 unit matrix. So it will be like this. So this is nothing but called as our characteristics matrix. The characteristics polynomial is nothing but A minus lambda I modulus. When expand, we will give a polynomial which will be called as the characteristics polynomial of the matrix A. That will be, or the determinant of this, that this is the characteristics matrix. So the determinant of this characteristics matrix, the determinant of the characteristics matrix will be provide a polynomial. So the determinant of the characteristics matrix, whenever we have to find out, then this will nothing but called the characteristics polynomial of that matrix, and the characteristics equation is A minus lambda I equal to 0. The determinant of A minus lambda I. The determinant of A minus lambda I or characteristics polynomial should have to be 0. This is the characteristics polynomial. The characteristics polynomial equal to 0 means the characteristics equation, which is this is like this. So now the characteristics roots or eigenvalues of this equation, if we are going to find out, then it will be like 1 minus lambda minus 1, lambda minus 1, and lambda minus 5. If I am going to multiply, then we are going to find out 1, 1, 5 are called as the characteristics root or eigenvalues of the matrix A. Then after I given a problem to find out the eigenvalue of, I think 6 minus 2 2 and minus 2 minus current so minus 2 3 minus 1 and 2 minus 1 3, like this matrix I have given to find out the eigenvalue. So this is nothing but the characteristics equation of this matrix. The lambda into I means this matrix in the form of is equal to 0. This is in that form. This is in this form. So this is the matrix. All are done like this, and you found at last this equation. So here in the book it has been taken that with a trial basis you can take as 2 is the root. So lambda minus 2, if you are going to divide with this, then you can found this found this one. Okay, so this one into this one will be this one. Again, if you are factorize this one, you can find this. So from this you can find 2 to 8 is the so called our eigenvalues. So एठी तुम कहबो सर हम केमिति ट्रायल करिवो केमिति जानिबो मनकर ए क्वेश्चन रो आंसर मनकर देई दिथियो आई रे मनकर देइची 2 to 8 आ गोटा आंसर देइची 2 to 5 like this. So you can easily consider 2 as a trial for this one, and from this answer we can get the hints and we can do this problem. Or you can directly also you can do factorize of this one like this. So what will be its general method that I am going to tell to you. Okay, so at last we can get this one. Then after factorized of this, we can get lambda minus 2 into lambda square minus 10 lambda plus 16 equal to 0. And again it will be factorized like this, it will be equal to 0, then lambda equal to 2 into 2 and 8. So the so called eigenvalues of this matrix is 2 to 8. Okay. Then yesterday I given some notes. What do you mean by row matrix, column matrix, null matrix, square matrix? Diagonal matrix means all the diagonals elements will be present, all are zeros. Scalar matrix means diagonally we can get any one scalar and other elements are 0. And then transpose of a matrix. In case of a transpose of a matrix, suppose 2 3 4 1 like this, the column rows will be column and column will be row like this. 2 3 4 this is a row and it will be column like 2 3 4 like this. So this will be the transpose. This is called as the transpose of the matrix. Unit or identity matrix that we have been discussed, that is in case of 3 cross 3 matrix, unit matrix. Okay, unit or identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0. Only diagonal matrix will be 0, a 1 and other will be 0, and it is called 2 2 matrix form of the unit matrix, this one. Then symmetric matrix. In case of a symmetric matrix, Aij is equal to Aji. That means A12 will be A21 like this. So A12 is this one. Sorry, A12 is this one, A12, and A21 is this one. So these are same. Like this, this is A13 and this is A31. Okay, like that. This is called the symmetric matrix, or we can say that the symmetric matrix is nothing but the transpose of that matrix. Then skew symmetric matrix means Aij is equal to minus Aji. That means all diagonal element, and second, these two conditions should have to be followed for skew symmetric matrix. That means we have to follow this condition, means Aij is equal to minus Aij and all the diagonal elements are 0. That means you can say this will be H, means this will be minus H, and G minus G. Like that, all the diagonals will be 0. That matrix, one of the example you have to write. and you have to upload. Triangular matrix, two types, upper and lower. Upper means upper triangles, this will be like a triangle, elements will be present, and lower will be 0, and diagonally if I am going to be divide, then lower triangle elements are present and others are 0, so it will be called the lower triangle matrix. Then orthogonal matrix, it is important that the square matrix A is called as orthogonal if A into A transpose should have to be unit. This is important. Directly orthogonal matrix ऊपर बेस करके direct question गोटे small question छोटो question पके देथो. Like conjugate matrix means simply conjugate of A is denoted by A bar, that is plus A, 1 plus I means 1 minus I, 2 minus 3I minus 2 plus 3I, like this. Transpose of conjugate of a matrix A is denoted by A theta. So considering the above matrix A, what will be the value of this? Means it is telling that conjugate raw transpose of the conjugate of the matrix A. This is the matrix A and its conjugate is this one, and its transpose will be called as this is A theta. Okay, so you have to write down considering this example. Then unitary matrix. Unitary matrix means a square matrix A is called the unitary matrix if A theta into A equal to I. Okay, that is or A into A theta should have to be I. So if we are going to consider A is this one and A theta is this one, you multiply, after multiplication we are going to get this one. So unitary matrix ऊपर भी direct question पक्के दी परिवो. Suppose two matrix has been given, so what will be the condition followed by the two matrix like this? आ ऊपर बेस करी डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन पक्के देथियो, एटा को मन रखिया पड़िबो. Then Hermitian matrix also important. These things are important things you have to remember. A square matrix Aij is called the Hermitian matrix if every ijth element of A is equal to conjugate complex Jith element of A. That means suppose we have to consider this matrix. So Aij means A12, this is A12, every Aij element of this matrix equal to conjugate of conjugate complex or complex conjugate. You can write complex conjugate jith element of that matrix. So एटा जदि हला 2 plus 3i, our complex conjugate होज केते 2 minus 3i, and that 2 minus 3i will be the element of, if A12 is this one, so that will be A21. So A12 जदि 2 minus 3i अछि ताले आर complex conjugate ता रहिबो कोठी A2i रे. A12 जदि एटा हला A2i means Aij is equal to complex conjugate of Aji. Then skew Hermitian matrix also it is important. Means गोटे matrix तुमको दे देइथिबो, से पचारथबो Hermitian matrix हबो ना skew Hermitian matrix हबो आउ अलगा किछि देइथिबो. So you have to verify, just you have to write down the what type of matrix will be. So this is the square matrix will be called as the skew Hermitian if every ijth element of A is equal to the minus of conjugate complex of jith element of A. That means एटा another कोटे step गले एटा हबो. That means A12 equal 2 plus 3i. Its complex conjugate should have to be here. Means A12 is this one, means A21 will be its R complex conjugate टा एठी लेखा हबो. Skew Hermitian means minus of this one. This is minus of this one means skew Hermitian. Say it a coach. So you have to either you have to give this example for this one, or you have to give another example of this one and you have to write down for oneself. Singular matrix means determinant of any matrix. If 0, then it will be called as the singular matrix. So this is also you have to remember. So these four matrix and transpose matrix is also important, and orthogonal matrix. orthogonal matrix and this 4 matrix has to be remembered by you, because directly questions will become from that definitions. Next, I have given some important properties of eigenvalues that also we have to remember. That one thing is that if a square matrix A, then its a transpose of the matrix AT have the same eigenvalue. A जो मनकर गोटे A matrix square matrix अछि तार eigenvalue जतिक हबो ताले A transpose रो भी same eigenvalue हबो. The sum of the element of the principal diagonal matrix is called as the trace of the matrix. So this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the one of the matrix. So this diagonal call like this one, not this one. Okay, this one is the diagonal matrix. This is called the diagonal 4, 5, 6. This is called the diagonal of the matrix. Principal diagonal of the matrix. So sum of the elements of the principal diagonal matrix is called the trace of the matrix. So ये जो एलिमेंट रहिला 1, 5, 9 को मिसेले जोटा हबो सेटा दिस इज नथिंग बट कॉल्ड एज योर ट्रेस ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. ए तीनटा एलिमेंट 1, 5, 9 को मिसेले जहां हबो सेटा हला दैट इज कॉल्ड द ट्रेस ऑफ द मैट्रिक्स. That is A11, A22, A33, A44 like this. Then sum of the eigenvalues of the matrix is equal to the trace of the matrix. So if I am going to be add, it is very important properties that you have to remember. Directly maybe you are going to face the questions. So sum of the elements of the diagonal matrix will be the sum of the so called eigenvalue. Eigenvalue जो है A matrix और eigenvalue जो है बाहरी वो ताको मिसे देले जतिक हबो ए diagonal element को मिसेले B सेतिक हबो. The product of eigenvalues of matrix A is equal to the determinant of that matrix. Also it is very important property. That means suppose we have found the eigenvalue of the matrix. I am going to show you one that example, that whatever we have been done in our first one. So that is, this is the matrix that initially whatever we have been considered. Here you can, first property is told that the trace of the matrix will be how much? 2, 3, 5 equal plus 2 is 7. 7 is the trace of the matrix. So trace of the matrix also is equal to the sum of the eigenvalues. So eigenvalues of this matrix is 1, 1, 5. So also 7. The first property we have been found correctly, and the sum of then the product of the eigenvalue of the matrix is equal to the determinant of the matrix. That you can verify by considering this matrix, that the product of this eigenvalue means we can found product of this eigenvalue means 1 into 1 into 5. That means blindly we can say that this determinant of this matrix will be 5. Next, if lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda n are the eigenvalues of the matrix A, then eigenvalue of k lambda. So if I am going to multiply one k scalar to the matrix, to this matrix, and previously we have been found that 1, 2, 1, 1, 5 is the eigenvalue. Suppose I have been multiplied 2 in this matrix, then the new matrix have the eigenvalue will be 2 into 1, 2, 2 into 1, 2 into and 10. 2 to 10 will be the eigenvalue of the new matrix. Likewise, if a to the power m, if I am going to be consider 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the 2, then the eigenvalue of the new matrix will be lambda to the power m, like this. Okay, and if we have to consider a to the power minus 1 r, means if we are going to consider inverse of this matrix, then the corresponding eigenvalue will be also inverse of the eigenvalue. Means if we have going to suppose inverse of the matrix something we are going to found, and that matrix, that new matrix eigenvalue will be how much? Will be 1 by 1 1, 1 by 1 1, 1 by 5, that is 0.4, 0.2, 1 by 5 is 0.2, like that we can found the new eigenvalues of the corresponding inverse matrix of that matrix, of this matrix. So this is the in short discussion about your theoretical part, whatever I have given in the note. And then I have given the problems yesterday that we have to verify. That means today we are going to be work out upon all the theoretical parts whatever I given, and rest things that the problems whatever I given from the initial and yesterday also 4 problems I have given. These 6 problems and also this theoretical part we have to be go through properly and complete it, and then we have to move forward. Okay, thank you.